So this plus this should equal some times. I purchased this at Harbor Freight. It was like $40 with a 15% discount. It was like $34. They had a cheaper one for $20, but I found that the diameter of the drill was too small for the little compressor. This you can buy on Amazon anywhere from $20 to $30. And so far, when I started working on this, I took it all apart and I found this circular sanding bit the best for dremeling out the inside of this drill casing. Here's the compressor, and when you place this in here, you'll find that the fit is perfect. See how it turns out. Okay, this is where I'm at with my air horn build. Just to put a bolt on the inside, and I secured that down really tightly. Hooked up the positive and the negative, which is no big deal. And then on the other side, I attached a nut with some JB Weld, so when I screw it in from the outside, it'll hold. And then I put double-sided alien tape on both sides just to hold the compressor in place. So we're close to finishing. So that was a bit of a failure using JB Weld to hold the nut in place while I placed the bolt in there. Instead, I had to drill a little hole in the side, and then I was able to put my socket in there to hold the bolt in place while I tightened it. But this is how it turned out. Pretty pleased. Everything looks nice and tight. Just got to attach the hose, throw the battery on, and give it a try. So this is the final project. Here's what it sounds like. Jesus, that's loud.